Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. Let's look at how October 2020 will be for Pisces or Meena Rashi natives. Firstly, the planetary positions. Retrograde Mars in the second, Rahu in the third, Venus in the sixth, Sun in the seventh, Mercury in the eighth, Ketu in the ninth, Jupiter in the 10th, and finally Saturn in the 11th. So positive planets for you: Rahu, Saturn and Mercury. Rest of the planets are unfavorable for you this month. This could be a little challenging month for you. You have to be a little bit more careful, specifically when you are interacting with people. That means your interactions and speech are the area where you need to be in full control. So these are the areas where you may end up suffering. Many planets are in unfavorable positions. Your Rashi Lord Jupiter is definitely placed in a Kendra and in transit, but it is also forming a favorable Hamsa Yoga. But again, classics say that Jupiter in the 10th is not so favorable. But being the Rashi Lord, he will definitely help you to give some good results there. Okay, you will be able to perform better because of his blessings as well. There could be differences with your spouse. Energy levels will be better than the last month, but not at the peak. Support from Saturn and Mercury will bring in that adequate luck and a favor, and also the gains for you this month. Looking at health front, problems to the face are seen. There could be some troubles to the throat, there could be sore throat, there could be cough, things like that. Itches and skin rashes are indicated, mainly the face area, you can say. Digestive troubles, specifically due to food poisoning. Fatigue, there could be loss of energy, but Rahu and Saturn will help you to recover well. Now coming to career or business. For working people, your speech may spoil the atmosphere, so be very careful. Your speech may also cause humiliation, though your courage will be high, and you will also be able to accomplish the tasks, but the only thing is you need to keep your speech under check. You have to be more patient this month, maintain that calm approach to make this month a fruitful one. Businessmen should be careful while dealing with specifically the government authorities. Don't let your harsh speech and careless approach to spoil the relationship with your business partner. This is a month, if you are having any new long-term opportunities, some opportunity may open up definitely for you. Be vigilant and catch them at the earliest. There is a chance that you may get some new long-term opportunity, specifically for businessmen. Students, overconfidence is not a good tool for success. So be be modest, be patient, stick to your plans, just keep working. You will be able to go through this period comfortably. Coming to wealth or gains, a very careful approach is advised, specifically if you want to invest. There could be some losses in the business, so when you are signing those checks or making those online payments, be very careful. Income will be adequate, I would say. Some unplanned expenditure is also possible this month, so guard yourself against some unplanned expenditure. Ration your savings properly. Now coming to the family front, yes, there could be petty quarrels or arguments with your spouse. Wife's health certainly needs some attention. Your restless mind and harsh tongue may be the reason for spoiling the atmosphere at the home. So be patient, be calm, and try to speak as less as possible. Children will certainly bring a smile onto your face. The happiness and the peace and tranquility in your family depends on the way you speak and the way you act. Try to be cool and approach this month happily. There are certain remedies which you can perform, specifically for Guru. Visit a Guru's temple on a Thursday and seek his blessings. reciting or listening to Durga Suktam will definitely help you. Pray to Lord Narasimha or Kartikeya on a Tuesday specifically. Mars is in his Moola Trikona, yes, a good position, but Mars in the second can cause haste, harshness in speech. So pray to Lord Narasimha or Kartikeya to give you that strength to control your speech. If you are looking at donating something, donate articles related to Mars. I'm giving you some, there are plenty. Red clothes, copper vessels, fennel seeds, or masoor dal. You can donate them on a Tuesday. Please honor your gurus, take good care of your gurus and your elders in the family. That itself is a long-term remedy for for life, I would say. So please do these remedies, and I wish you all the best. Namaskar.